Hello everyone, once again welcome to this Mindful service. This is a review of the customer number 1091. So this is the HP Pavilion 15.6 inch, and customer sent us to replace the screen panel because the screen panel is broken. So this is the original ones is broken. So we replaced the new screen for the customer and just original one. So now it's back to normal. Okay, I'll let you know that if you have the Macbook or laptop, and you can contact us at the Spinity. If your screen is broken, you need to replace a new screen, feel free to contact us at Spinity anytime. Gonna stop now. See you on the next video. Bye bye.